Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MG Global. Today I am going to present you a 3 BHK smart 3 BHK show apartment at Rajarhat 6 lane expressway, and the project is under HITCO planning area. The project is having total 7 acres of land parcel in which we are developing only 7 towers, and the height of the project is G plus 14 story and G plus 11 story. We are having total 65% open space in this project. Not only that, we are giving you 25,000 square feet clubhouse space and 30 plus modern amenities and facilities, which are lifestyle amenities, 5-star amenities, resort based theme project. This project is having nearing possession by RERA. Phase 1 will be handed over in 2025 December, and second phase means phase 2 will be handed over in 2026 December. As you can see, this is a smart 3 BHK with having a carpet area of approximately 812 square feet, plus additionally we are giving you 34 square feet balcony space this side with this living cum dining hall. This living cum dining hall is separated because this is your separate living space with a 6-seater sofa set this side. Opposite to it, this is your TV unit space and with lot of storage space this side. And when you are entering into this beautiful apartment, you can see the height of the door is almost 7 feet tall. Beside that, this is your main MCB box, and we are having provision of AC in living cum dining also. With all the bedrooms, we are having AC provisions. Just beside your living space, this is your lovely cozy kitchen space. Let's explore this. So when we are entering into this kitchen space, you can see this is a separate fridge space this side, and beside that this is a L pattern black top counter, and with all utilities you can have all the electrical fittings. Like here also we are giving points, here also we are giving water purifier point, there we are giving stainless sink space, this is micro oven point, this is your separate other utility point, and here is your cooking platform. So everything is placed neatly and cleanly. This is your cross ventilation window with exhaust points. So everything is placed for your concern. We have designed and developed likewise only. So come this side. So when we are exiting from the kitchen, you can see this is a 6-seater dining placed just beside the living space. This is completely separated from the dining hall and living space, and just adjacent to it, this is your balcony space with additional 34 square feet, which is not included on the carpet area of 812 square feet. The project is having beautiful connectivity. So now I am going to show you the connectivity. Number 1 connectivity is Akanksha metro station. Akanksha metro station is just about within 1 kilometer range from the project, within 2 minutes driving distance, and the builder is having a great legacy in Kolkata. They are developed almost 25 residential projects already and delivered it with premium quality. They are known for their quality construction and timely position. They are very well known developer in Kolkata, one of the topmost developer in Kolkata, and we are developing 2 BHK, smart 3 BHK and spacious 3 BHK in this project. So now you can see this is a smart 3 BHK concept. So as you can see, this is a butterfly layout unit. This side is your master bedroom, this is your Atithi room, and this is your kids bedroom, and this side will be your puja space and common washroom. So let's explore your Atithi room first beside your kitchen space. Let's come. So this is your Atithi room with having a size of almost 11 feet by 11 feet with great spacious this French window, and you can have this king size bed placed over here. Then also you can have that much of storage space. You can create a study table, you can create a almirah space. Everything is very cozy and spacious. And now I am going to show you the other bedrooms. So this side, when you are exiting from the first room, Atithi room, you can clearly see your kids bedroom this side. So come and explore your kids bedroom. This kids bedroom is having a size of approximately 10 feet by 9.5 feet with big cross ventilation window. This is French style window. The lower portion is fixed, upper portion is openable, and you can create this kind of storage space. Lot of storage space you can create in this bedroom space. So now I am going to show you the other part of this lovely apartment. So come this side. So when we are exiting from the kids bedroom, you are entering into the living space and dining space again. So this space you can create behind me, this space you can create like a dressing unit, or you can create a puja space, a small puja space also. This side is your common washroom space. The common washroom is having a size of approximately 9.5 feet by 5 feet. It's a spacious common washroom with grey theme, grey and white theme finishing, with premium CP and sanitary fittings we have placed in this, and we are giving you this hardboard kind of top in this bedroom and washroom doors. This is your master bedroom. Yes, it's your master bedroom. Welcome to your master bedroom. As you can see, it's very spacious, 12 feet by 11.5 feet. The bedroom is also having a full length window with having upper portion is fixed, lower portion is fixed, and upper portion is openable. This is your dressing space this side. Again, this side also we are having dressing space. Both the side we are having dressing space. It's a king size bed. Then also you can have that much of walkable area in this bedroom. Everything is very neatly designed. This side is your space for your TV unit. You can place a TV, lot of storage space under this. And this is your master washroom with a spacious great space with having a golden theme, almost biscuit and golden theme concept with a square shape, almost 8 feet by 8 feet, master bedroom's washroom. And now come again on the living cum dining. So now I am going to discuss you about the price, which is most important to all of you. Everyone have an interest about the pricing, so I am mentioning you. This project is having pricing stands on carpet area, not super built up or any built up. The carpet area pricing is only 8,000 rupees per square feet. That is fixed pricing. The pricing is as of now is very reasonable compared to other projects if you can compare. So in this locality where you can have seamless connectivity from airport, seamless connectivity from Eco Park and Akanksha metro station, everything is close proximity. The IT park is just about 3 kilometers from the project, which is Candor IT Park plus DLF 2 IT Park plus TCS Gitanjali IT Park, everything, EcoSpace IT Park, everything is within 3 kilometers radius. And Bisho Bangla Gate, which is most prominent landmark of New Town Kolkata right now, that's about 2 kilometers from the project only. And City Center New Town, which is also very prominent landmark right now, that's about only 1.9 kilometers from the project. And every modern facility we are providing you with 65% open space. To know more, please call us today only and visit this project with your family and friends. You will definitely love this project. And other information is that we are giving all the services absolutely free of cost for customers, for our customers, and we are also providing you 5 years legal assistance and marketing support. That's also free of cost from our end. And keep supporting, keep loving us. The starting price of this smart 3 BHK, including 1 car parking plus GST plus extra charges except registration and stamp duty, starting from only 69.5 lakhs only. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. See you soon. Goodbye and stay tuned for further updates. Jai Hind.